You are protecting life on our planet.
Day by day, you make a difference.
You conserve the world's biggest forests.
You safeguard the rivers and the oceans.
You stand up for coral reefs,
Rainforests,
Tundras.
deserts,
And grasslands.
You support communities in the Amazon.
The Arctic.
the Congo.
and the Himalayas.
You help make the biggest companies on Earth more sustainable.
You influence governments to create policy that respects the importance of nature.
You give a voice to all animals.
Who call Earth their home.
You are protecting life on our planet.
And because you are with WWF, you are not doing it alone.
You are part of an unstoppable movement for nature.
And together, we are protecting life on our planet.
Because together,
Anything is possible.